Romance in ancient Greek was pronounced as Roomaioi. The long O with low pitch, the I with high to mid falling pitch, and Oi with low pitch can be considered as alarm sounds. I, as they share acoustic features with distress sounds such as cries, screams, and moans. These types of sounds are common in ancient Greek, and they raise the focus and sense of urgency in the ancient Greek population. And with this underlying drive and focus, the ancient Greeks were able to develop the most advanced ancient civilization on which the Romans and later the Western modern civilization was based.